Welcome to the channel, folks. Yes, we have another 40 packs of the lovely Panini Premier League Adrenalyn XL 2025 to open. Let's get straight in there and open them up. Let's have a great look at the back of the packs so you can see exactly what you've got to look out for. 468 cards, 340 base cards. We're going to look out for the trophy, golden ballers, the invincibles, and look out for the parallels of the super rare invincibles. Let's get straight in there, see what we can find. Don't forget, press that little bell over there to get the videos to whatever media you're watching on. So let me know in the comments, what teams are you supporting this season? Are you actually collecting this set? So we got Smith. I'm going to go through these as quick as I can, so I won't say every name. Let's get straight in there. Adam Smith. We got a Stadium, Tottenham Hotspur, Chowdhury, Smallbone. We got our first one, which is Leno's Super Stopper. Oh, the Saints crest, looking very good there. We got a code card. I'll give you all the code cards on this channel so you can collect those. As I said, I've opened 50 packs already. This is another 40 packs. I don't know how long it's going to take us to get through them, but let's... oh, look at that. Manu, straight in there, golden baller. So that's a good start. We got Gutierrez, midfield master. Oh. We've got a code there again for you. I'll show you the backs of the cards if you haven't seen them already. That's a good start, folks. The golden baller straight away. Let's get that invincible card. That's the one I'm really looking forward to. Trory. We've got a hot shot, folks. We've got a relentless. They're quite a hard card to find as well, apparently. Another lovely code card for you. Don't forget, we do packs of cards, we do stickers, we do all sorts. So there's plenty to watch. Over 1,000 videos on this channel now. Etihad Stadium. We've got World Class. We've got the Man City crest. We've got the code again for you. It's going to be interesting at the top of the league this year. I'm wondering about Chelsea. So many players. What was that? They've got 141 years of players contracts on their books at the moment. Midfield master. So I was watching the other day. We got Adrenalyn Rush. We've got another code. I will do a binder update very soon, so you can see what it's looking like. We want to get those important cards out first before we get there. So that's Park, Johnson. We've got a powerhouse. Looking good. We've got a hypersonic. Martinelli. Another code. We got a high flyer, Beto. We've got Magic Touch. I wish these packs were all around the right way round. Got a code again. I know you're loving your pack openings. Jensen, Barnes, Tarkowski. We've got West Ham United. So that's what you'll get, more pack openings. Let's see what else we got in here. Next Stadium. Oh, the trophy card. To buy that trophy card on Panini, if you go and have a look at the costings of that, it's £15. £15 just for that card. Most expensive card you can buy off of Panini when this set's when they allow you to buy the cards if you're missing any cards. £15 just for that card. What's your thoughts on that? We've got a Rashford hypersonic. I've got to say that last one was a precision before that. Code there. do you think of Ivan Toney going abroad? Quite young at 28. I think he should stay in the Premier League a little bit longer. We've got another super stopper. We've got a Dunk defensive hero. Another code card. Yeah, I think Ivan Toney should stay in the Premier League a little bit longer before going for his payday, but depends what motivates you. Do you need the money? Breakthrough, Rico Lewis. We got a Crystal Palace. Another code for you. And Dozy. What I was saying on my other video was that you'll notice there's no logo on there, a sponsorship should I say. Obviously they hadn't bought out Rollbit as their sponsor as Saints, so it's one of the few teams that doesn't have a sponsor on there. Kit. Fun fact. Ice, that's a nice card, I do like that. Magic Touch. I'm wondering what's going to happen with Everton. Will they get their points deduction this season? How many points will they get deducted? We've got a Magic Touch again. We've got a code card. Oh, sorry. Powerhouse there. I forgot that. For some reason I picked that up and threw that over there. Yeah, it's very strange. I don't know who else is going to get caught up in this. We got a fire card there. Nice phenomenon. We've got all four of those now. We've got another code. Don't forget to check out my other videos. There's some great content out there. I do try and put out as much as I can. And, all sorts of things, just not football cards. It's a Merry Stadium there. Some channels just like to stick with just football cards, but I think I like to do a bit of everything. It stops you getting bored. Code card. Getting through these packs now. I'm still waiting for that invincible card. Will it ever materialise? We've got midfield master, defensive hero. We've got a code. Materials. There's supposed to be signatures in there. Wouldn't that be amazing if I got in the signature amongst all this? Guard, Model Pro, Adrenalyn Rush. That would be truly amazing. Real signatures, they say. I don't know if it's long card or printed strip. Somebody will let me know. We've got a breakthrough, and we've got a hypersonic. Sorry, I was looking for the card. Seems to get stuck behind the back there. Code card. First come, first served with that. So if you want to get those codes, you want to make sure you watch the channel fully. We've got a super stopper again. We've got an Ipswich Town. We've got a code. Kindly, Panini did send these over to us so that we could open them for you. Let me know your thoughts and what you think about them. Cinema. Fastest. Oh my goodness. We have got, folks, the Jade version of the Invincible card. That was the Jade version, wasn't it? Unbelievable. Relentless. Sorry, I'm just going to come back to that in a minute, folks. I want to just get this pack out of my hands, but let's have a look at that. What does it say? Emerald. 1 in 333 packs. Very nice too. Emerald Invincible card. Nice. Very nice too. Thank you very much for that. Finding that, I'm pleased. I am pleased. Just got to find some more stuff now in there. Will we get some more hot shots? Breakthrough, Hazelwood, Hot Shots. Wow, made my day, that is. I know I'm not cheering, but I should be cheering. Emerald. We've got another Super Stopper. We've got a Man City. We've got a code. So I presume you get the base one, then you get the other ones. Emerald. Nice. Golden Baller as well. Cole Palmer. Oh, hey. Trophy, 2 Golden Ballers, and then the Invincible card. Harry Winks. Going well on this packs. I'm sorry folks, code. Oh well, that's certainly great news. We've got defensive hero West Ham. Code. Wish they were numbered though. Wouldn't that be great if they were numbered? That would be even better. Would that not be? Juan Laras. Never seen him play in my life. He's a youngster that's... we've got Van Dijk, Phenomenon. We've got Midfield Master. Yeah, Laras. One of those ones, youngsters that have yet to see play. Mara, now left Saints for Strasbourg. Saints, people moaning they haven't bought many, but they've certainly spent quite a bit of money this season. A few selling as well. World Class. We've got a Crystal Palace. Got a code. I'm over the moon over that Invincible card. I bet you are as well, seeing that. I don't know how many other channels have found a green Invincible, or Jade, should we say. Emerald, should we say. Sorry, I'm Model Pro. We've got a Fire. Oh, we've got another one there now. We've got Magic Touch. We've got a code. Let's see what we got in here. Ezzy, Ice, looking cool. We've got Bournemouth. We've got a code. Another Ezzy amongst that. GBW will be happy about that. Certainly likes his Crystal Palace. We've got Hypersonic. We've got a Midfield Master. We've got a code. We're getting there, folks. We're getting there. I'm enjoying this rip. Samaria Stadium, Adam Armstrong, Adrenalyn Rush. Let's hope we can score a few goals in the Premier League at Fulham. We've got a code. If we could just transform some of our form that we did have in the Championship, certain times we were going along just nicely, and then we had a bit of a dip, relentless, and then we got going again, and then we scraped through past Leeds. Perhaps we'll be fine, but who knows what the future holds, is what they say. Let's see if we can get another golden baller amongst this lot. Benrack, we have a Super Stopper. We've got Newcastle. We've got the code for you again. Find in this one. We got Vitality Stadium. Oh, sorry, we're upside down there. We got Precision. We've got Hot Shot. Is it on the back of the Precision? I don't know what I've done with the code there, folks. Sorry, I lost the code. I don't even know if they had a code on there. Let's see if I can find one in this one. We have got Gavin Bazunu, injured still. World class, I wouldn't say world class, Magic Touch. We've got a code. Last few packets, folks. Will we find something really cool amongst these last few packets? We've got a breakthrough. We've got an adrenaline rush. We've got a code there. It's an interesting kit. Anderson. 4 packs, 3 packs to go after this one. 2 golden ballers, a trophy card. Suchek. Aston Villa. We've got the code. We have got James's Park. I haven't seen that before. Rebo, sorry. We've got Ndozi, Hypersonic. Strange names towards Saints players here. Midfield Master. We've got code. Lamina, Mario, ex-Saints player. Mario Lamina. Fire. The song starts playing in my head now. Neto with a magic touch. The code. So I've given you most of the codes unless I've missed one. Last pack magic, folks. What's it gonna be? Foden, Felton, Dawson. We've got Phenomenon, which is Fernandez. We have a code. Lovely code. Marcel. That's it. That's it, folks. Let's have a recap. What have we found? So we found the trophy. Very pleased. Palmer, Manu, and the Emerald Invincible cards. Oh, that's got to be worth a thumbs up. So that is the Panini Premier League Adrenalyn XL 2025 40 pack opening. Until next time, happy collecting.